Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Toyota Camry, that generation from year 2012 to year 2014. If you guys need to find where the radiator fan relay is located, guys, which relay you need to check, where you can buy cheap fuses and relays, that way you do not waste your money, why it's important to test fuses and relays, all that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. We'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay in that generation Toyota Camry and every car we get at the garage. Why we do that? Because many of you will need that information sooner or later. Let's say you need a fuel pump, guys, fuse, or you need a steering angle sensor. Those will not be labeled correctly. You will have abbreviations that might say something like FI. You may not have an idea that's a fuel pump, guys, or fuel injection system. So that's why we're making video for every single fuse, every single relay, to save you time and money. And if you're stuck in the middle of nowhere, or if you need to find a fuse, all we have to do, spend a minute or two, watch the video, find out the fuse, instead of guys spending time to find it in the service manual, instead of guys wasting money, okay, and time on parts and tools you don't need. Another thing, guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Those are our main YouTube channels. We have more than 1.2 million subscribers, guys, and we have more than 10,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in free repairs. Another thing, let us show you something quick. You have, guys, some special fuses and relays. We're going to put a link in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you don't waste your money. You have those multi-block fuses, we'll put the link for them as well, for different fuses, for different relays, okay? All kinds of fuses and relays. If you need to buy some and not to waste your money, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them from. Check it out. So let's start on it now. So, the radiator fan relay, where it's located, guys, we'll demonstrate on a 2013 Toyota Camry right here. You guys have two different fuse boxes. We'll be working one of them, and we got lucky because that fuse box is easy to access. It's right under the hood, guys. Open the hood. This is your engine. Right here is your car battery, and this is the fuse box right here. All we have to do, open this cover. Then you're going to notice that we have a fuse box layout, okay, that will look just like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the relay that we will need to check here, okay, let's explain that now, guys. If we come right here, and this is towards the front of your Toyota Camry, this is towards the windshield side. You guys have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 relays, and you have that integration relay that consists of multiple relays in one. Practically that's a computerized big relay. You hope that doesn't go bad because it's expensive. We'll put the link in the description of the video below if you need to buy one. But if you come right here and you look at that orange relay, that's your relay, guys, okay, for the radiator fan. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.